You probably saw this kind of posts online on your Instagram or TikTok feed where people are posting handwritten notes with advices or some kind of educational content that is built as part of carousel with three, four, five, or different pages, with the final page being a call to action where you need to engage with potential comment in order to get something from that user. And especially on LinkedIn, that's something that's going crazy. Everybody's asking comment and connect in order to send advice or whatever, which is basically a magnet lead in order for them to gain the contact with you or potentially sell you something. Now, I have a good news because I have built two systems. The first one is n8n, and it's part of this video that you're currently watching. And we are going to work now together on a template that will produce these kind of advices based on a subject and a CTA that you want every single day, as many times as you want it on a daily basis. And the second system that we are going to work on will be exactly the same system, but without n8n actually being run inside of your Claude code or codex. So it's up to you which way you want to go. So if you want to keep learning in this video about n8n automation, keep watching. And if you want to watch it by using it Claude Code or OpenAI's Codex, you can continue by watching the video somewhere up here. It's going to pop up, I don't know where, but you can start watching that video, or you can watch first about n8n and then watch the other one. So without going further, let's go into the video. So in here is my n8n setup with a template that I have. It's handwritten tips carousel. And the system is built to run every single day. So we have a scheduled trigger where I set that I want to run it every day at 10 a.m. Now you can set it to run multiple times on a day. So for example, hours, you can set every 1 hour. So every hour, 24 hours a day, it will produce this and post it online. Now it's up to you to decide how often you want to post something like this, but I don't think you should be doing it more than 3 times a day, but it's your choice. The second thing that we have here is the setup node, in which we are going to focus on the topic that we want to address. So in here it says Claude Code advices. So we can move this and change, let's say, Facebook marketing and set CTA keyword to be Facebook. So what the AI will do, it will take Facebook marketing topic and write some notes about how to do this, or some advice on how to do Facebook marketing, right? So we can set how many tips. So it depends how many carousels you want to have. Usually TikTok and Instagram allow up to 10, but try to be somewhere in the middle, let's say 5 or 6. So let's go with a 6 in this moment. CTA enabled true or false. If you set it false, then the CTA won't exist on the last step. And I will show you additional integration, which will automatically respond with a specific link to your content on Instagram. So specifically for the Instagram. And if you keep watching, I'll explain it a bit later. And the CTA preset in my situation is comment. You can say like or subscribe or something like that. But the goal is on Instagram to engage users in order for them to comment, so you can send them automatically a link to your product or leading page or whatever, and increase your sales and your lead generation. And you have option CTA custom. Honestly, I have to test it. I wrote it, but I'm not 100% sure what it's working right now. I built it yesterday, so I'll test it by the end of the video. Now, there are a few additional things. So we have a tips agent, and we have a slide agent. So tips agent is going to plan and build what are the tips going to be. So the add Claude file listing your commands. It has a headline. It has a tips that we're going to go on 2 pages. It has caption that's going to be used, and it has a title that's going to be used on the post. And you don't need to change anything in here. Everything is pulled from the settings node. But what you can change, if you want, you can edit this system message to your liking. For example, you can edit how many words you want to have on the first card, what you want to say, what you don't want to say. But it's up to you to design it in your own way. But I did it as is at this moment. Now, the AI agent is connected to Apex API account, and we are using Claude Opus 4.8. You may use a different model. It's up to you to make a choice. But from the dropdown, you can switch either to cheaper models like Claude Haiku, Sonnet, or any other. And the main thing is we are going to use Apex API's nodes for AI models and for the image generation, which helps us have everything inside of one account with one API key. Everything is done. The only thing that's not done is posting, where we need to use a different service, or you can use whatever you have, or you can manually upload. It's up to you. Next to the tips agent, we have an output parser, which defines specifically and exactly how the output needs to look in order for the image node can process it further. Now we have slides agent, which is building exact prompts that the image generation is going to use. So as you can see, a page of a cream data grid notebook paper shot from directly above, flat, soft, natural window light. And you can play with this by improving the system message. It's up to you to decide what you want. You can, after first generation, copy the output, copy the system message, and send it to some other AI agent to modify the results depending on what you want. Maybe you want a metal surface or something like that. It's up to you. And then there is build slide queue. So this node creates a system where we can see what is going to be sent to the image generation node. It just splits them and creates specific prompts for this to work. And then we have image generation node, which is going to receive the image. Right now, we are using GPT Image 2 because it's one of the best models right now to handle writing, but you can try other models. They're also available in here. I could advise to try Dream or Nano Banana 2 and maybe some others. It's up to you to choose. But for me, the GPT Image 2 is going to work in this video. And once the images are generated, you will receive PNG links from those images that are generated. And once that is done, you can also go into your Apex API account where all those images are going to be saved that you have done, so you can reuse them in the future. It's up to you. So once you're inside, in the top navbar, you have images, and all of these images will be here. You can download them or you can preview them inside of the Apex API. Now we have the final combine node, which is going to combine all the image links or media links, and everything is going to be sent into this node, which is going to post everything onto the Instagram through Chat33 account. The Chat33 is one API key for all the social accounts. So you go onto it, you connect your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and other accounts. And once everything is connected, you can post through one node everything onto all of them. And the link is below in the description. And if you are looking to potentially backup everything, we have additional node in here, which is for Publitio, which is media asset management platform. You can set it up, you can add your signature and set up everything with a folder and upload all of your images and videos that you're potentially generating directly there for the safekeeping or sharing online. And let's run this flow once again and see what is going to be our next result based on Facebook marketing. So let's click execute. Okay, so the generation of our carousel has been completed and the post has been sent to Chat33 to be posted. But before we do that, let's go into Apex API and see our images. So in here, we can see that we have built our first 5 images. So let me open it like this. I'll just go in here. Okay, build a look audience from your top 5% of past buyers. Run 3 ad creatives at once and cut the losers after 3 days. Keep your opening line under 125 characters so nothing gets hidden. Boost only posts that already beat your average engagement rate. And comment Facebook and I'll send it over. So our setup is done. Now let's go into Instagram. And as you can see, we have our third creative. So upload videos straight to Facebook instead of sharing YouTube links for more reach. Reply to every comment within 1 hour to lift your post reach. Build a lookalike audience. Run 3 ad creatives at once and cut the losers after 3 days. And this one is interesting one. And boost only posts that already beat your average engagement rate. And the final one, comment Facebook. Now, when you have this, if somebody comments Facebook, there will be a Chat33 flow that will automatically start working, and you can comment on this post on Apex API. I will be adding link in the description. So if you go to Instagram and specifically on this post and you comment Facebook, I will send you a link to a YouTube video for this one or to the template. Depends, maybe the template. Okay, I'll probably send the link to this template. And you can download it and actually feel how everything works. And let's go into Chat33 to set up the workflow. Okay, so we are now in Chat33 interface and I went into flows. And in here, we are going to create an automation flow that will send the link to the Facebook commenter. Because I already have these, I could copy them, but let's go with a new flow and let's go with a blank one. So I'm going to say Facebook marketing. Okay, let's click create. And once we have created, on the left side, we have nodes. So we are going to set comment keyword. So drag and drop it onto the screen. And we can call it comment fb. Okay. We're going to select our Instagram channel. We're going to select a comment keyword, not the DM keyword, and we are going to set it to Facebook. Now, one thing to note, it doesn't matter if the letters are big or small. If it's Facebook, it will be Facebook. Okay, so we are going to use this only on a specific post. And in here, I'm going to select the specific post onto which I want this to go. So if you go to any other Instagram post on my account, the Facebook comment will not work unless it's the specific one that we posted right now. And what we want to do, we want to send a button, send buttons. And in here, we are going to connect these two nodes. And we are going to set it like this and say button with URL. And we are going to say in here, hey, thank you for your interest in Facebook marketing. Here is the link. And we can set link to download and set it to https youtube.com. In our case, I will add a different link later. And once everything is done, you can see. So if somebody comments Facebook, he's going to receive, hey, thank you for your interest in Facebook marketing. Here's the link. And once they click, they will go to the website. And the only thing left for us now to do is to go into save and click go live. So I won't be pushing it live yet. I will be pushing it a bit later once I activate it, but that's the whole step. And once somebody comments Facebook, they will receive a link. Now let's go into n8n. And now the final step, in order to make this work, we will need to go into settings and then select community node. And inside of community nodes, we will need to paste the name of Apex API node, and you can see it on the screen. So, and let's enter n8n nodes Apex API and click install. Now it's going to take a minute or maybe less to install the node. Okay, perfect. The node is installed, and now we need to install the chat33 node. So it's n8n nodes chat33, and it's also going to take about 20 seconds. And the third node that we are going to install is publicity node, and this one is optional, so it's up to you if you want to store your files on the web server. Well, congratulations. So if you got to this point, you're at the end of the video about carousels, and I'd like to thank you for watching this. Now, this n8n template is downloadable. You can find the link down in the description. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And here is the next video somewhere on the screen popping up. I hope not all over my face, but you can click and go and watch it. So have fun, and I hope you will automate something amazing.